Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order groceries from the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and order groceries from the Smiths app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, you want to go ahead and set whether you want it to be picked up or delivered. So on the top right hand corner, you can click on the pickup button, and then this is where you can decide between pickup, delivery, or in store. So let's go ahead and choose delivery, and then you need to enter your zip code here. Once you enter your zip code, you're going to click on delivery, but keep in mind that you do need to upgrade to Express at checkout for the fastest same-day delivery service. So click on start shopping. So this is where you're going to go ahead and start shopping for items. So you can actually browse around their catalogs and categories. But let's say that we want to go ahead and add this item here. We'll just click on add to cart. Now, once it's been added to your cart, you can click on the bottom left-hand corner where it shows that icon, the shopping icon, then click on cart. Then from here, click on continue to checkout, click on your address or add a new address, then choose a date and time which you want it to go ahead and have delivered. So we're going to choose Saturday at 8:10 a.m. Then click on continue. Then this is where you're going to go ahead and see the order summary. So here you can add a payment method, add a gift card, then click on place delivery order. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and order groceries from the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.